What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing a card that I just got for my baptism. So I'll show you. This is it. This is the card. So I gotta need to bring you guys up, so hold on a sec. This I could end up like right there. I need a heavy thing. What is heavier? Let's see, hold the tablet up. What is heavier? I do not know. Okay, hold on, guys. I need to think. I'm trying to think, Daddy.
What?
There's recording something. I'm trying to find something that would hold my tablet up so I can unbox it.
Having a card in the box doing it down.
Yeah, but okay.
Well, I'm gonna see this video when you're down there.
Okay.
You're not gonna be in there forever because that's too suspicious. It's not gonna take you too long to do the video you need.
Sorry about that, guys. And I do not want to power my tablet off. That would be a thing to do. Nope, that is not gonna be. That's not gonna work. This is probably gonna work. This is heavier than a game like I will just bring you guys around. Okay. So there is the card that I'm unboxing. So let's do this. This is actually in real time. Oh, sorry guys for that. Okay, we'll just fit. We need to do it this way, won't I? Okay. Okay, wait. Got to turn you guys like so. Here's the box. Let's unbox this. Oh, that's not helping me. Okay, let's try and get this to work, okay? Come on, guys. Technical difficulties. I got it. It's over. For my that thing sound. I get this right out. Okay, we got the instructions. I'm gonna read that. As I know, there is a rechargeable battery. There it is. That's one of the wheels. Here is that card. Okay, here is a card rechargeable battery cord, and here is the remote control. Pretty good and neat. It's got this peak power, 9 volt. Now we gotta put this in, so it could be like the antenna. Okay, this is a long-range cord, and here is that rechargeable battery. This this might need some charging. So I will see you in a little bit after this is done charging. Hey guys, I gotta charge this. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna need to do this. Okay. And while we're waiting for this to charge, the 9-volt probably is gonna go to there. So let's just charge this real quick. Okay, now we need to slide it. Oh yeah, we need to slide it. You can raise the expansion on that. I know that. That's for sure. Okay, I got them. 9-volt. I'll bring you a little bit of a long video. Sorry, guys. 9-volt is charging over there. It took probably like 30 minutes. It has to charge. That's how long it takes our drum to charge. 30 minutes. We used to have a drum. As you saw, we had a drum. Okay, so oh wait, we don't need a screwdriver at all. Here's the 9-volt. Here's where the 9-volt battery comes in. Okay, so now we just have to put that like that. Now put this down. Gotta put the antenna down so it won't be like guys. Sorry guys about this. It's taking a little bit longer than expected. Okay, let's see how this 9-volt battery is doing. Charged. How long does it say charged? It's in the instruction manual. Hold on, guys. Okay, this is going to take 8 hours for it to go. So that was actually the unboxing of the video. Okay, guys? So I'll find more about this. Okay, guys? So see you next time.